RX-0128N semi-automatic termination machine for RAST connectors. The main function of RX-0128N's RX-0128N semi-automatic Mitsubishi servo piercing and crimping machine is to puncture and crimp RAST 2.5 to RAST 5.0 connectors. The size of the machine is 1400 mm long, 800 mm wide and 1500 mm high. The size does not include a wire rack and weighs approximately 180 kilograms. The connector feeding device of the machine can support horizontal or vertical placement. The display screen of the machine is KINCO's 7-inch color display screen, which can be insured for 5 years. The system can set the foot cutting function arbitrarily. The machine is equipped with a CCD visual detection system which supports identifying the wire sequence errors. When encountering misaligned colors, the machine will immediately alarm and prompt the operator to make timely changes. The machine also has the function of shrinking copper wires without pressing them down. After the operator inserted the electronic wire into the connector hole, the machine did not press down, usually because the machine detected a defect in the copper wire inside the electronic wire. Remind operators to replace good electronic cables as soon as possible. Avoiding poor crimping improves the yield of production. The function of shrinking copper wire without pressing down is the first and leading technology in the industry. The CCD visual inspection system can not only monitor wire sequence errors and non-crimping of shrunk copper wires, but also monitor issues such as wire skin damage and incomplete wire ends, ensuring that each wire harness product is a good product. RX-0128N's RX-0128N semi-automatic fully Mitsubishi servo piercing and pressing machine uses a Japanese Mitsubishi servo motor for stamping with high control accuracy and can be controlled within 0.01 nm. The machine has an invention patent and has passed the EU CE certification. Received unanimous praise from customers both domestically and internationally. Thanks for your watch.